Hey guys, this is Andrew Keene from KeenOnTheMarket.com. This is your S&P 500 daily recap for February 7th, 2012. As we've seen a lot of times, especially in February, and I've talked about a lot, that pullbacks should be bought, and anytime we dip, it's a buying opportunity. If we look at the daily chart, which we always start with, here's February 1st, 2nd, 6th, 7th, and 7th. So we've had 5 days in February, 5 up days. Market's been very, very strong. Disney had earnings after the bell. They were a little bit weaker, but the stock only sold off about 50 cents. So the daily chart, we're looking very strong. I still think we can get up to these levels. I talk about it a lot. We look up at the monthly. 1347.75 is my target one. Got about 2 points away today. We got up to 1345.75. It's pretty close. And then I think the ultimate goal is up to 1370. Where we go from there, no one knows, but with slow grind higher, intraday ranges have been very tight. So let's go look at a 5-minute chart, see how I traded today. Here we go. We opened up at 1337. We took out yesterday's low. I talked about that being a critical level around this 1333. We hit support level 2. The low of the day, 1331.75. I talk about it 80% of the time. The higher the low is established within the first hour. We got it once again. The low is established in the first hour. A buy on the close of this 5-minute bar at 1333.75 would have been aggressive. I did not take that. It would have been a great trade because it would have had me in for about 10 points. I like the tail on the bottom. We hit support too. We took out yesterday's low because a lot of times people get long and they put their stops under yesterday's low. So we did take out yesterday's low. And then we were off to the races. Once Europe closed, nothing really happened. A lot of neutral paper in here. We talk about, during the day, we sat here from basically, let's look at 10:30 to the end of the day. We were in about 5-point range. I did buy the pullback to this cloud. I thought they'd sell them off a little bit, so I bought them right here at 1341.25. I took one off at 1 point, one at 2 points, one at 3.5 points, one at 5 points. So that was a good trade. The cloud, it always helps me. We also had resistance 2 up here. So that was a good level if you wanted to short at the end of the day. Wasn't enough time for me to do it. But testing the cloud, I had my stop under here, so I was willing to risk. I had 4 points in this, so I bought 1341.25. I was willing to put my stop at 1337.25 for 4 points, and then I took it up. So this is a good trade for me. For tomorrow, we have key levels. Red level, floor pivot. Blue level, point of control. To the downside, 1332, 1333, around here. We see buying pressure every time we dip under here. To the upside, 1345.75 is the new high of the month. 1347.75 is the high that I think we can get to. If not, it's off to the races. Remember, if you want all the key levels, you have to go to KeenOnTheMarket.com. Resistance, support, Fibonacci levels. Today we flagged it. We hit support 2 on the nose. Took out yesterday's lows and hit it. So these are great levels. They're all free at KeenOnTheMarket.com. Go there to get all your levels. Have a great night, and we'll run it back tomorrow.